keep ripping it.
That's a paper.
Yeah, there's
Lots
paper
of paper
on
on
there.
there. Rip it off. That's it. Keep ripping.
Take that off.
That's it. Keep going. Keep going. What is it?
What'd you find?
That's a chapstick.
It's a chapstick.
What do you think?
It is.
Yeah.
Green.
It's
Yeah.
green.
That's really green. Open this one.
That's yours too. You can open it.
You open there. You open that.
So,
Mommy, I'm about to get the
Mine
paper
will do
off.
the chapstick.
You open
You
that.
work on that. I'll get this.
what it is?
I don't know.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know either.
It's candy.
Is it?
We'll have to see.
We'll have to see.
Look at Uncle Greg. He's already eaten his.
Uncle Greg got one too.
Uncle
That's
Greg
it.
was a good boy this year too.
Ah!
Oh, it's candy.
Good there.
Okay.
Open this one now.
Okay, go ahead.
Open. And the Santa on it.
It does have Santa Claus on it.
What's in this?
He sent you his picture on there.
Yeah.
He must like you. He sent you his picture.
Ah. What is?
I don't know. What is it?
Probably it's
What is it? What do you think it is?
what is here? It's a big chapstick.
It's a green chapstick.
It's green.
Yes, it's green.
Good job. You want some of that on your hands?
This is
Yeah.
for on your hands. You want to put some on? Or do you want to open your other present?
Open it.
The one
Other
in front,
present.
the one in front of it there.
That big one.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Turn it
Here,
over.
here. You can pull right here.
Strawberry. That's strawberry. That's a new strawberry.
Is it?
She's sleeping in there.
Is she sleeping in there?
Stop.
Is it?
There's all people.
There it goes.
Ah!
Want Pap to open it for you?
Yeah.
Push the thing
She's
first.
a
Show what
strawberry.
it does first.
You
Try
have to
the
push.
button.
You have to push her belly. Push her belly and see what it does. Push it. Listen.
She's the ring.
Yeah.
That's a doll baby. That's a new doll baby.
I know.
Happy open the doll baby. It's tape. It's stuck.
Look what her name is. Her name's Hope. That's her name, Hope. You might want to keep. I'll cut that out for me. Okay.
Here she is. There she is.
There she is.
She's soft.
I bet.
Yeah.
She a nice baby.
Yeah. Happy don't cut the doll baby off.
I won't cut the baby. Nope, I won't cut the doll baby.
Gotta take it off.
Happy come home. Happy come home.
Our Pappy's just getting her
time today would be great, Pappy.
Yes. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Her sock came off. I'll have to let Mom fix that. Oh, yes, it is on there. It's like little sandals or something.
Yeah, look at those sandals. Look at that.
There she is.
Jalen, let Daddy see. Oh, she's cute. She's got the same color hair as you do.
That's a doll baby. That's a new doll baby.
Push her belly and see what she says to you. She talks to you.
Can do it.
You gotta push it hard.
She does sandals or something. She does sandals or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah, they kind of look like slippers.
Kind
Yeah.
Kind of.
What do you
Nice
think?
baby. Her name's Hope. Can you say Hope?